Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix live voicemail not showing on iPhone. First, you just need to open your settings on your iOS device. If you're using iOS 18, then you will find apps option at the bottom of your settings. Now tap on apps. Now search for phones from here. Now in phone settings, here you can see I have just live voicemail on my settings. So you just need to do some simple steps to fix this issue if your live voicemail is not showing on your iPhone. So you can just go back to your settings. Now from here, go to the general. Now here you will find language and region. Simply tap on it, and from here make sure that you have set region to United States or Canada. You can just tap here, and from here you can just set United States or Canada as your region. Then you can just tap on change to Canada, and it will set the country like Canada and United States as your region on your iPhone. So after set up United States or Canada as region on your device, you can just go back to your apps section and search for phone and go back to this phone settings, and you will definitely find this live voicemail option available on your iPhone. Or otherwise, if you can find this live voicemail or it's not showing otherwise, then you can just consider that your provider, your network provider is not it's not giving access to using voicemail, or they don't have any voicemail services. So you can just talk with your provider, your SIM provider or network provider, so and ask for the voicemail, and you can just talk with that issue. So that's how you can just easily fix live voicemail not showing on iPhone. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.